Alright, I'm gonna it's snowing real hard right now, and I wanted to make another video just to show how it is really coming down. It is some heavy snow we're getting. You can see how deep it is on my steps out there. At least 5 inches, maybe more. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Big old flakes. Absolutely beautiful. We got about 3 or 4 more hours of snow before it quits. Absolutely beautiful. I just wanted to show y'all that this. I'm just like a kid at Christmas when it snows. Oh, the flakes are getting bigger and bigger. Just look at it, oh, it's almost big as a cup. Small cup. Oh, beautiful. I've got a video running on the laptop back there you might can hear. Absolutely beautiful. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And just hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching my videos. And y'all have a blessed week. Thank you.